Today we take a look at the Acer 2-in-1 SD card reader. So this is pretty cool. It is basically a thumb drive with an SD card slot and a micro SD card slot, and that plugs into a simple USB-C port. Now my understanding is that this uses UHS-II cards, so you can see the number of contacts on there versus UHS-I card. UHS-II is still backward compatible to UHS-I, but you are going to be able to upgrade to a UHS-II card and get the increased speed. Okay, I did pick that up right away, and it can play those videos. So I'm going to do a speed test. Okay, so we are definitely seeing UHS-II speeds. For sequential 1MB 8 process 1 thread, we got 270 on the read, 240 on the write. For sequential 1MB 1 process 1 thread, we got 264 and 251. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 10 and 2. And for the worst case scenario random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 9 and 2. Now it is possible to see speeds around here. If you're going to be doing mostly pictures and video, you're probably going to be seeing speeds that are closer to the top. The way we can tell that this is a UHS-II is because UHS-I caps out at about 90 megabytes per second, so this is capping out at around 270, so that is considerably faster. So having a full-on UHS-II card reader that is this small and compact, that is an excellent tool. That's something you could easily throw in your backpack, carry with your camera, all knowing full well that you're going to be able to get much faster speed than you'll be able to get with most SD card readers on the market. So that is a very nice reader.